Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got you today. Man, she is one sweet machine. We have got a real SS Malibu 1964. Now it has been upgraded to a 350 motor. It's a real convertible car. She is beautiful, man. Black, as slick as can be. The body lines, look down that hood line. Look at that thing. She is a beautiful car. All the stainless is looking good, all the aluminum's looking good, and she's got Cragars on her, wrapped with some BFG TAs. This Chevelle is one amazing piece right here. And then take a look, red interior. Great combination. Center console's looking good. I love these two-spoke steering wheels too. Take a close look at the VIN here. See that 58 in the VIN? That 58 means it's a real SS Malibu, and then the 67 means it's a real convertible. So this is no made-up car. She is a beautiful beast. Hop in this baby and head to the beach. Now, if you want to see several pictures of the car with the top up, the top down, go to our website at Vanguard Motor Sales. We'll have pictures of both. Then later, we're going to get it up in the air and we're going to take pictures of the bottom side. And here in a little bit, we're going to get it out and drive it. And the horn works. Look at that. Look down the side. Look at those reflections. I see a big fat bald guy in there. Where's he come from? Look at the chrome back here looking sweet. Look at this. I tell you what. You could put makeup on. I need some makeup. Look in there. Man, that's pretty. She's gorgeous. Even got a spare tire in there. All the paint work in here is looking sweet. It's a beautiful machine. Even the bottom side of the deck lid looking sweet. Look down the passenger side there. Straight as can be. Tell you what, they did some beautiful body work and some beautiful paint work on this car. It said all the trims looking sweet also. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this little beauty. So you know we spent the time and checked it out before we bought it. First thing that happens here at Vanguard to every vehicle is they go up on the lift and they get inspected so we can accurately answer all your questions. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and just about 24 hours a day, so you can call anytime you'd like. Check us out on the web at VanguardMotorsales.com, and you're seeing us on YouTube right now. If you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the little bell button so you get a notification every time we post a new one. Let's take this little SS for a ride. Now I want to clear up the record just a little bit. I know a lot of people think if it says Malibu, it's not as good as a Chevelle. Well, the truth be told is Malibu is an upgraded Chevelle. Malibu had some extra trim on it, and depending on what year it had different this, different that, but it was a fancier Chevelle. You could still get them in SS's, you could still get them in big blocks, you could still get them just as good. So, now that we've cleared that up, we can deliver this car anywhere in the world. And this is one sweet little convertible right here. She is a beauty. Black, the top goes down, it sounds amazing. The exhaust is just invigorating. Listen to that baby, just got that nice little tone to it. So like I said, we can deliver it anywhere in the world. We can help you finance it. We can take care of you. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513. 9513. Tom will tell you exactly what's going on. Now, he does answer his phone 7 days a week, so call anytime. Get around this corner, we'll take a look at the dash. You can see the dash is in beautiful shape down here. All the chrome's looking sweet. Looks like all the gauges are working. She's a beauty. Then we got a 3-pack of gauges down there. Looks like it's got a late model radio in it. I don't know if this thing's playing tunes. I don't listen to the radio when I'm in a muscle car. I listen to the sound that matters, that exhaust. Uh-oh, we got a problem here. Look at this semi-truck. Oh, look at that. He threaded the needle. And hey, the radio's working. Well, let's turn it off. I don't want to hear that. I want to hear this. Man, does that sound good. So we're real close to the airport. So if you want to come in and check them out, we'd love to have you. About 95% of our cars go out sight unseen, but we do invite our customers to come in. In fact, we encourage you to come on in. We'd love to meet you. If you want to send an inspector, that's not a problem either. Just let us know he's coming. That way we can have the car ready. We got a lot of square footage and a lot of cars. We have to move a lot of cars around sometimes. Now we're coming up on our main location here at 15100 Keel Street. And don't forget, we got a whole team of mechanics that can do anything to a muscle car that you may want done. And look right up here on my left. That's Tommy and Demo right there. All right, we're underneath this beautiful car now, and you can see gas tank's got a beautiful paint job on it. The frame's got a beautiful paint job on it. The exhaust is brand new. Now this cover on the rear end housing, it is a 10 bolt, and this cover actually makes everything stronger. These 2 bolts go right down on the caps on the center section to give it extra strength. There's a 342 gear in here, and it is Posi. You can see it's got the Hotchkis lower control arms and sway bar on it. The upper arms are fully adjustable. Those are Hotchkis too. You can see the exhaust is all welded up. We got Flowmaster mufflers here. All the paint work on the frame is looking sweet. They did a beautiful job on that. Looks like it's got a brand new fuel line and a brand new brake line going front to back. We do have a crossover in the exhaust. It's got a 700 R4 trans. That is a 4-speed automatic. Everything under here is super clean. We got a new brake line going left to right here. We've got a gigantic sway bar up front. And you can see it's got disc brakes up front. The guys will check those all out. It's got drum brakes on the back, and the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see we got Hotchkis parts up here too, and that's what that sway bar is too. All the bushings look good. The tires look like they're brand new. The Cragars are brand new. 215/65 15s up front. Rocker molding looks good, and the bottom side of the rocker, you can still see all the spot welds in there. It's nicely painted. Again, they did a beautiful job painting this frame. Out back here, we got, again, brand new Cragars, brand new 235/60 15s back here. So let's get under the hood right now. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 350 Chev, looking sweet. It's got an Edelbrock intake on it. Looks like it's got a Holley carb sitting on top. The car does have power brakes on it. That 4-barrel is a 670. Everything under here is looking good. You can see they even have that extra washer fluid there. Isn't that sweet? It is power steering too. Jet coated headers. Chrome valve covers. It's got a stock appearing distributor. The guys say it is Pertronics. You can always tell if there's either 1 wire or 2 wires coming out of the distributor. If there's 2 wires, it's electronic. And then it's got this top on the battery to make it look like it's an old-fashioned battery, which is very cool. Everything about this car is sweet, guys. The top goes down. She's black. She's beautiful on the bottom side. Completely restored. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.